Do you know how much gear an average YouTuber uses? Neither do I, but when I started to add all of the gear that I personally have, I realized how much stuff you actually need to make simple videos. In order to film this video you're currently watching, I need some basic gear like camera, lens, SD card, tripod, camera bag, just to put the stuff somewhere when I'm not filming, Rode microphone, a light from Amazon, this Blue Yeti microphone, a tripod for microphone, and then microphone pop protection. And now that we changed the location to here, I'm actually using a different microphone attached right here, and I also needed an SD card for this microphone. Okay, so we now have all of the basic gear to make simple YouTube videos. However, if you start fresh, do you even know how to use a camera or a lens? Well, I didn't, so I actually bought a few courses to learn how to make these videos. First course that I bought was a full-time filmmaker, and that's a very technical course on how to become a filmmaker. So they teach you all about all the shutter speed, all of the f-points, all of the lenses, different types of microphones, where to position your microphone, your lights, everything. It's kind of a very technical and very in-depth course on how to become a filmmaker, and it's more geared towards like wedding photographers and professional filmmakers, not YouTubers. However, I did find that course very informational because in just one place I was able to figure out every single detail about all of the gear that I need to make YouTube videos. The second course that I took was PTYA, and that's a part-time YouTubers Academy by a fellow YouTuber, Ali Abdul. This was way more geared towards YouTube and actually how to make YouTube videos specifically. And in the course, they actually covered a ton of things like how to make thumbnails, how to shoot and edit a video, how to choose a topic, your niche, and etc. This course by far had the biggest impact on my personal YouTube channel. And I also grabbed a slow growth course by Matt Diavella because I really admired his YouTube channel and his videos. I kind of wanted to see the behind the scenes of how he makes videos, so maybe I can take one or two things to implement into my video production. Okay, so I have the basic gear. Now I've bought courses and learned how to actually make videos. Now it's time to edit them. And for this, I'm using my base model MacBook Air M1. And then I also have this Philips monitor right here, which I specifically bought for editing purposes so that I can see the whole timeline when I'm editing the videos. And then I have two SSD disks. One is 2 TB, one is 1 TB. And basically I need them to store my footage and then use it for editing purposes as well. From software, I'm using Final Cut Pro to edit all of my videos. This is the software that I've been using for like past 10 years. And then I also bought MKBHD VFX pack just to have some extra VFX and titles and all of that stuff, transitions that I can add into my videos. I also bought 3 other VFX packs in the past, so I'm kind of mixing and matching all of those. And then lastly, I also have an Epidemic Sound subscription to get all of my music for all of my videos. And just to inflate the cost of this video, I'm also using my iPhone and a DJI Osmo Mobile for some extra stable shots because we do need them in this video. And I might also throw in some drone footage as a bonus because why not? And that's why the total cost of this video is just over $8,000. I'll have all of the links to all of the products I mentioned in the description below, but that's it from me. Ciao!